how do you enable caps lock on a Chromebook device? And I believe a lot of new Chromebook users are asking this very question because there is no caps lock key on a Chromebook device for some reason. So if you actually look at the keyboard layout, the place where it's usually occupied by the caps lock key is missing. In fact, it was occupied by a different key. It's called search key, or today also known as the launcher key. So this key is supposed to be the caps lock key, but instead if you press that key, it will launch the launcher menu. So then how do you actually access the caps lock? Because there are some scenarios where you want to use caps lock, you want to get the uppercase letters and words easily without having to holding the shift key. Well, it's actually something that you can do, and unfortunately that Chrome OS is just not telling you at the beginning, which is quite a shame because it's actually a common feature that was popular for many years, for many decades. MacBook do have that, Windows PC have that, but Chromebook for some reason just ditch the caps lock key. But here's how you can enable the caps lock feature on your Chromebook device. So what you need to do is you have to press the Alt and then the search key at the same time. So Alt, search, or maybe Alt and then launcher. I don't know how I should address this key. Sometimes it is called search, sometimes it is called launcher, but let's call it launcher. So Alt and then launcher, Alt, launcher at the same time. So let's demonstrate. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and this is just some text. Right now all is lowercase, but if I press Alt and then launcher, you see there is that icon indicating that now I'm using the caps lock. So basically whatever text that I type from this, it's going to be uppercase. Let's try some text again. And if you want to stop using caps lock, you can again press the Alt and then launcher key again, Alt and then launcher. So now you can see there was that icon, and if I type some text, now it's becoming lowercase again. So yeah, you have to press Alt and then launcher to enable the caps lock feature. The physical button wasn't there, but the feature is still very much in the system. So that's how you can use the caps lock feature in your Chromebook device. If you found this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.